What I've got here is a number conversion question, and it's asking me to convert a decimal number 197 into binary. So before I start doing that, I need to draw myself a table. What we've got here is a very typical number conversion question, and I'm asked to convert decimal number 197 into binary. So before I get started, I need to draw myself a table. So I've drawn myself a table there of 16 squares. I've got a 2 by 8 table, and what that's representing is a byte. And I've numbered these with the place values 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. Okay, and I've used a ruler to draw out the table. Now I'd recommend you do that. Keep things neat in your exam. It just looks so much better for the examiner. So I've used a ruler and I've drawn the table out like this. Okay, this is my preferred method to do a question like this. So what I need to do now is ask myself, I need to go through these tables, and where I need to use a number, I need to put a 1 in there. Okay, so I start off with going through a table and ask myself, okay, 128 into 197 goes, absolutely. So I need to use that there. Okay, now I need to look at the next digit. Do I need 64? Well, 128 plus 64 is 192. Remember, I'm doing this without a calculator, so it's really important that mental arithmetic, that you can do that quickly, is so important. Now, do I need 32? Well, I'm up to 192 now. I need to get to 197, so I only need another 5. So I don't need that there. So I put a 0 there. I don't need 16. I don't need 8, but I do need the 4. I don't need the 2 because that would be too much, and I do need the 1. And there's my answer, which is 11000101, and that is my answer to what is 197 in binary. And there's the binary representation of 197. So let's look at this next question. It says convert the hexadecimal number A4 into decimal. Show your working. Right, that's hexadecimal A4, and I want it in decimal, so I start by writing down A4 like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is convert it into binary. So to do that, I need to remember, okay, in hexadecimal 0 to 9 are the same, and then A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. So I need to make 10 there, so I'm just going to put these numbers up there, 1, 2, 4, 8. I'm going to put them there as well because I'm going to need to do that as well. 1, 2, 4, 8 there. Just be careful to keep them separate. You might want to draw lines there. I'm just for the speed, I'm just going to do it like that. You may want to create a table like we did for the first part of the question there. It's up to you. So I need to make 10, so I need the 8, I don't need the 4, I need the 2, and I don't need the 1. That's the 10. Now I need to make 4, so I don't need that, I do need that, I don't need that, and I don't need that. So the binary representation of A4 is 10100100. That will give me 1 mark, but I need to convert it into decimal. So same thing I did with that table. I need to make that table there, or I need to just list the numbers there: 16, 32, 64, 128, and I'm just going to drop the bits down and make sure they're in the correct column. Again, having a table here can make it a lot easier. Now what I need to do is add these up. Okay, so 128 plus 32 is 160, plus the 4 gives me 164. My answer for 2 marks is 164 in base 10. Okay, base 10 is often represented with the 10 up there, but you don't need to write that in your exam, but just so you know. Okay, so I've converted that hexadecimal number A4 into decimal, and that's the way I've done it.